In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly put an image into a circle using Canva. Whether you're looking to create a stunning profile picture, enhance a social media post, or add a creative touch to your graphic designs, this simple process will streamline that task. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to canva.com. Once you're there, locate the login button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the site. Click on that to sign in using your credentials. If you prefer, Canva offers the flexibility to log in with Google, Facebook, or directly using your email address. Choose whichever option you find most convenient, and shortly you'll find yourself at the Canva dashboard with endless creative possibilities at your fingertips. Now that you're logged in, it's time to choose the project you want to work with. If you have an existing design in mind, go ahead and select it. Otherwise, you can start a new project and customize it as you desire. For this next step, let's make sure the image you wish to use is uploaded to your Canva library. If it's not already uploaded, simply click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar and upload your desired image from your computer. This will ensure your image is ready to be placed in a circle frame. Next, to create that perfect circular look, navigate to Elements on the left sidebar and type Frames into the search bar. Frames in Canva are essentially pre-designed shapes that make designing much easier. You're going to see a range of different frames popping up, but what you're looking for is the circle frame. Once you've found the circle frame, go ahead and drag it onto your design. You'll notice that it resizes almost effortlessly to fit the aesthetic of your canvas. Now it's time to get your image involved. Locate your image from the upload section and drag it over to the circle frame. The great thing about Canva is how intuitive it is. As you hover over the frame, you'll see your image automatically conform to the circle. After your image is in place, the finishing touches come with adjustments. You can click and drag to reposition the image inside the circle just the way you want it. If the image doesn't fit quite right, Canva allows you to resize the image by pulling on its corners to perfectly align it within the circle. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've seamlessly placed your image within a circle using Canva. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different images and frame styles to enhance your design projects. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.